Hey, this is Larry again. To set up recurring payments with Stripe Pay button, go to your editor. Select the widget you've placed in the site page and click Settings. Scroll down and you will see the option Payment Type. Choose Recurring in the drop-down and you will see the prompt to upgrade the app to the unlimited plan, which gives you access to accept recurring payments. Once you've upgraded, refresh the editor and go to Settings. When you choose Recurring as the payment type, you will be able to choose the billing interval and frequency. For example, I would like to charge the customer every 2 weeks. I can choose Weeks as the billing frequency and enter 2 as the interval. Once the setup is ready, publish your site and visit the live site. Try clicking the Pay button and see if it is configured correctly. Using Stripe Pay button is easy and fully customizable to fit any use cases with seamless integration the rest of your site elements. Thank you for using Stripe Pay button.